A Boeing 747 weighs 400 tons. That's the same as 80 African elephants. It carries 500 people. And somehow it stays in the air for 10 hours straight. Why doesn't it just fall? The answer involves 4 magical letters: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Let's start with weight. Gravity pulls the plane down, always. An airplane's job isn't to defeat gravity. An airplane's job is to balance gravity with a force pushing up. That upward force is called lift. If lift equals weight, the plane stays at the same altitude. Simple as that. So where does lift come from? The wings. Look at an airplane wing from the side. It's curved on top and flat on bottom. When the plane moves forward, air splits at the front of the wing. The air going over the curved top travels faster than the air going under the flat bottom. Faster air has lower pressure. And here's the trick. Lower pressure on top plus higher pressure on bottom equals an upward push. The wing is literally being shoved upward by the difference. This is called Bernoulli's principle. The faster the plane goes, the bigger the pressure difference, the bigger the lift. That's why airplanes need to accelerate down a runway before they can take off. Now meet thrust. Thrust is what pushes the plane forward. Engines suck in air, mix it with fuel, ignite it, and shoot the hot gas backwards. Newton's third law says every action has an equal and opposite reaction. If the engine pushes air backwards, the plane pushes forward. Same principle as a balloon released across a room. But thrust isn't free. Air pushes back, that's drag. Drag is just air resistance. The same thing you feel when you stick your hand out of a car window. Engineers spend millions designing wings, bodies, and tails that produce little drag. The cleaner the shape, the less fuel the plane needs to move forward. So now you have it. Lift balances weight. Thrust overcomes drag. When all 4 forces are in balance, the plane cruises smoothly. When the pilot wants to climb, they increase thrust. The plane goes faster, lift goes up, the plane rises. When they want to descend, they cut thrust. Speed drops. Lift drops, the plane gently lowers. What if an engine fails mid-flight? Surprisingly, the plane is still fine. Modern airplanes can fly on a single engine for hours. If all engines fail, extremely rare, the plane simply glides. A 747 can glide nearly 200 kilometers from cruising altitude. Pilots train for this regularly. So next time you're on a plane and you feel a little nervous during takeoff, remember the 4 forces. Lift up, weight down, thrust forward, drag back. Engineers have spent over 100 years getting this balance right. Every single flight is the result of millions of hours of math and testing. You're literally riding on physics. And now you know. Hit subscribe for more everyday science explained simply. Tomorrow we'll explain something else fun. Maybe how submarines stay underwater. See you then.